Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best dryer vent clamp is probably one of the most overlooked components in your home's safety system, but it plays a crucial role in preventing lint buildup and potential fire hazards. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dryer vent clamps, exploring their importance, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your home and family safe. Number 5. Hon&Guan 4-foot flexible duct 16 feet with 2 duct clamps. This product is designed to reduce noise from fans and carbon filter systems. It can decrease the noise by up to 50%, making your environment more peaceful. The ducting features a thick layer of black PVC, preventing light leaks. It works perfectly with exhaust and intake fans, carbon filters, and hooded lights that are 4 inches in diameter. This ventilation system is built to last, with 3 layers of protection. The black PVC layer, 2 layers of aluminum foil, and a layer of PET and steel wire helix ensure it is free of rips and pinholes. This 4-inch duct is super flexible and easy to install. It will slide right onto your duct fan, vent exhaust, carbon filter, or light reflector. It can be cut to any length you need. This ducting is suitable for various applications, including HVAC systems. It's perfect for kitchens, greenhouses, bathrooms, dryer rooms, and grow tents, ensuring efficient air circulation and exhaust. What we like. This ducting features a robust 3-layer design, ensuring durability and preventing rips. It's also incredibly flexible, making installation a breeze in tight spaces. If you're setting up a new HVAC system or need versatile ducting for various applications, this is a great choice. What people say. The clamps are easy to install and hold the vent hose securely. They are well made and durable. The design is effective in preventing lint buildup. Number 4. Cenipar 4-inch dryer vent hose with 2 clamps. This is a flexible aluminum foil ducting vent hose. It comes with 2 metal clamps for easy installation. The hose is designed to provide efficient ventilation for your dryer. Made of high-quality flame-retardant aluminum, this hose is built to last. It also features a corrosion-resistant steel wire spiral. The temperature endurance range is from 0 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The hose has a diameter of 4 inches and extends up to 8 feet in length. It's designed to fit in tight spaces, making it perfect for various ventilation projects. This hose is ideal for air duct fan systems and various ventilation projects. You can use it in hydroponic planting rooms, bathrooms, lofts, and for cooling AV equipment. The flexible ducting can be cut to your desired length. The included clamps help you connect the vent securely. Remember to wear gloves and disconnect the power during installation. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We are committed to providing quality products and ensuring your satisfaction. Buy with confidence and enjoy using it. What we like. Made with high-quality, flame-retardant aluminum, this vent hose offers reliable performance. The included clamps make installation straightforward. If you need a durable and easy-to-install solution for your air circulation or ventilation projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The clamps are easy to install and hold the vent hose securely. They are well made and durable. The design is effective in preventing lint buildup. Number 3. Heavy-duty 4-inch dryer vent hose kit. This dryer vent hose is built with 6 thickened layers, offering superior puncture resistance. It's designed to outlast standard 3-layer hoses, ensuring long-term durability for your needs. The hose can withstand temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows it to safely manage the heat produced by your dryer, ensuring safe operation. The kit includes aluminum foil tape and 2 clamps for easy setup. Its flexible design and wraparound ends simplify the installation process, saving you time and effort. Featuring narrower steel wire spacing and a wider diameter, this hose provides strong exhaust capacity. This design helps reduce wobble and noise during operation. This hose is perfect for dryer exhaust and other uses, such as HVAC systems, ventilation for planting, and 3D laser printing rooms. It provides excellent ventilation in various settings. What we like. This hose boasts exceptional puncture resistance with its 6 thickened layers, ensuring long-lasting use. It also handles high temperatures with ease. If you're looking for a durable and heat-resistant solution for your dryer or HVAC needs, you should consider it. What people say. The clamps are easy to install and hold the vent hose securely. They are well made and durable. The design allows for a tight seal, preventing lint from escaping. Number 2. Heavy-duty 4-inch 3-foot dryer vent hose kit. This dryer vent hose is built to last. It features 6 thickened layers, offering superior puncture resistance compared to standard hoses. This design ensures long-lasting durability for your needs. The hose can handle high temperatures. It can withstand heat up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for dryer exhaust applications. You can rely on it to perform safely and effectively. Setting up this hose is simple. The kit includes aluminum foil tape and 2 clamps for easy installation. Its flexible design and wraparound ends simplify the entire process. This hose is designed for optimal performance. It features narrower steel wire spacing and a wider diameter, which enhances exhaust capacity. This design helps reduce wobble and noise. This hose is not just for dryers. It's also suitable for HVAC ducting, planting ventilation, and 3D laser printing rooms. You can enjoy exceptional ventilation in various settings with it. What we like. This hose boasts exceptional puncture resistance with its 6 thickened layers, ensuring long-lasting use. It also handles high temperatures with ease. If you're looking for a durable and heat-resistant solution for your dryer or HVAC needs, you should consider it. What people say. The clamps are well made and sturdy. They are easy to install and hold the vent hose securely. The design is effective in preventing the vent hose from detaching. Number 1. HOOMESUN Dryer Duct Lint Trap Kit. This is the perfect solution for your dryer vent needs. It's designed to keep your home safe and your dryer running efficiently. Made from strong, rust-resistant materials, it catches lint before it enters your duct system. This helps prevent clogs and keeps your dryer working at its best. Protect your home from dryer fires with this indoor dryer vent lint trap. By keeping the dryer duct clean, it reduces the risk of fire and saves you money on energy bills. Installation is simple, and maintaining it is a breeze. Just clean or replace the filter when needed to keep it functioning properly. The clear door allows you to easily see when the lint trap needs cleaning. Remove and clean it after each load of laundry for optimal performance. This kit is designed for standard 4-inch ducts. It prevents lint buildup in your dryer system, ensuring your dryer runs smoothly and safely. What we like. This kit efficiently captures lint before it enters your duct system, protecting your home from fire hazards. The transparent door makes it easy to monitor and maintain. If you want to improve your dryer's safety and efficiency, this is the perfect option. What people say. The clamps are easy to install and hold the vent hose securely. They are well made and durable. The design is effective in preventing lint buildup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.